Hey there, snack lovers! Are you tired of seeing your kids reach for unhealthy snacks when they're hungry? Well, today I've got something that will make both you and your little ones happy. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 healthy snacks for kids that are quick, easy, and most importantly, delicious. But before we dive into these tasty treats, let's take a moment to understand why healthy snacking is so important for our kids. Did you know that children who eat a balanced diet are more likely to have better concentration, improved mood, and even higher academic performance? It's true. So, let's give our kids the best fuel for their growing bodies and minds. Now, let's jump right into our list of 10 healthy snacks for kids. Crunchy veggie sticks. Starting off with a classic, veggie sticks are packed with vitamins and minerals. Slice up some colorful vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, and voila! You have a crunchy and nutritious snack. Fruit kebabs. Get creative with your fruit. Skewer pieces of melons, grapes, and berries for a fun and refreshing treat. Bonus tip. Let your kids make their own fruit kebabs for some hands-on fun. Homemade trail mix. Whip up a custom trail mix by combining nuts, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips. This snack is perfect for on the go and provides a good balance of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh fruits, and a drizzle of honey in a glass to create a colorful and protein-packed parfait. It's a great way to satisfy a sweet tooth while keeping things wholesome. Apple donut. Slices. Slice apples into rings, remove the core, and spread a thin layer of peanut butter or almond butter on top. Sprinkle with toppings like granola or raisins, and suddenly you have a fun and tasty donut alternative. Baked sweet potato fries. Swap regular fries for baked sweet potato fries. These are rich in fiber, vitamin A, and potassium. Cut the sweet potatoes into thin strips, toss with a little olive oil and seasonings, and bake until crispy. Mini quiches. Combine whisked eggs, chopped veggies, and a sprinkle of cheese in a muffin tin for easy-to-eat mini quiches. They're an excellent source of protein and can be enjoyed warm or cold. Energy balls. These bite-sized wonders are made by mixing oats, nut butter, honey, and add-ins like chia seeds or shredded coconut. Roll them into balls and refrigerate for a quick and energizing snack. Whole grain popcorn. Popcorn can be a healthy whole grain snack when prepared right. Air pop some kernels and sprinkle with a pinch of salt or other seasonings for a guilt-free movie night treat. Frozen yogurt bites. Take a dollop of Greek yogurt, add some fresh fruits or a drizzle of pureed berries, and freeze on a baking sheet. These frozen yogurt bites are perfect for hot summer days. And there you have it, 10 healthy snacks that will make your kids jump for joy. Now, remember, the key to getting your little ones excited about these snacks is to make them look fun and appealing. Get creative with presentation. Use cookie cutters to shape fruits, or make funny faces with veggies. The more colorful and enticing, the better. Before we wrap up, I have a challenge for you. I want you to try at least one of these snacks with your kids this week and let me know how they liked it in the comments below. Together, let's encourage healthy eating habits for our children. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And don't forget to share this video with other parents who could use some snack inspiration. Together, we can make snacking healthier and more enjoyable for our kids. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, happy, and snack smart.